In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin or staff user to your Shopify store. Whether you're expanding your team or simply sharing responsibilities, adding users to your Shopify admin panel is an essential skill. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can grant the right access effortlessly and securely. The first step is to log into your Shopify admin panel. This is your primary dashboard from which you manage everything related to your store. You'll find the user interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so even if you're new to Shopify, you should feel comfortable navigating through these settings. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left side of the admin panel, where the settings icon resides. Click on it, and from the list of options, select Users and Permissions. In some versions, you may simply see Users, but don't worry. Both will take you to the right place where you can manage who has access to your store. Next, you're going to want to locate and click the Add Staff or Add User button. This is your gateway to inviting new users into your Shopify realm, so to speak. It's here that you begin the process of defining their roles within your online store. Now, you'll fill in the new user's details. Enter their full name and the email address they will use to access your Shopify store. Accuracy is crucial here because Shopify will communicate with them directly via this email to complete their setup process. After inputting their details, you'll find the section dedicated to assigning permissions or roles. This step is vital because it allows you to control the degree of access the new user will have. Depending on your business needs, you might grant them full admin rights, enabling them to make substantial changes, or you might want to restrict their access to only certain areas. Think carefully about this to maintain your store's security and functionality. Once you've decided on the appropriate level of permissions, click Send Invite. This action does a couple of things. It sends an automated email to the person you're adding, inviting them to accept your request and set up their account within your store's parameters. The person you invited will receive an email containing instructions on how to set up their account. After they complete this setup and accept the invitation, they'll be able to log into your store. However, their access will be precisely what you configured during setup, meaning they can only interact with the parts of your store that you allowed. And that's it. You've successfully added a new admin or staff user to your Shopify store. Remember, effective management of user roles and permissions is key to maintaining a secure and efficient business operation. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other Shopify tips on our channel to enhance your online store experience.